Hello and welcome to the caravan. Today we're going to look at some of the very useful functions that are available to us on the Alde 3030 control panel. Do you find the control panel too bright, especially during the night? Would you like the display to be inverted so that the background is dark and the rest is maybe a little more colourful? In the first part of this video I'll show you how to change the display settings. Then I'll show you how to set the night mode. With the night mode, you can alter the display, turn off the water heater and adjust the overnight temperature setting, and it's all done automatically. Finally, we'll look at the delayed start function. With this you can turn off the Alde system and set it to come on at a predetermined time. Therefore, if you go out for the day, you'll not be wasting energy or money, but can still return to a lovely cosy caravan or motorhome. Let's start with the display settings. Press the menu button twice to get to the settings page. Touch the 1 of 3 in the top right corner to go to page 2 of 3 of the settings. Touch display and then status page, and you'll see there's a choice of normal, inverted or dark. Select inverted and then press the menu button twice and you'll see that the display is now inverted. Or if you want the screen to go off after 30 seconds, repeat the previous steps and select dark. To wake up the display, all you have to do is touch the screen anywhere. It will go off again after another 30 seconds. Now let's look at the night mode settings. Press the menu button twice to go to page 1 of 3 of the settings. The night mode icon is at the top. Touch the centre button so that it is green. Set the start time, that's when you want the night mode to start. In our case, it's 2200 hours. Then set the end time, that's when the system will revert to your chosen default settings. Here we have 0800. You can select individual days for the night mode to operate, but we have it working every night. Set your desired overnight heating temperature. We have 12 degrees Celsius. If fitted, check that the air conditioning quiet mode is on. Go to page 2 of 2, and if you want the display to be off overnight, check the dark status page. And then select whether you want the water heater on or off. We have it turned off. Press the menu button and you should see the moon icon in the top left corner of the home screen. If it isn't, go back into the night mode settings and ensure that the button in the centre is green. The night mode will now work automatically until you turn it off. At the chosen time, if you've selected the dark screen, the screen will go off. You can always check the status of the system by touching the screen. Notice also that the moon icon has turned to green. At the end of the night mode setting, the system will revert to its default settings. If you press the menu button twice to the settings, you'll see there is a day mode. You do not have to do anything with this for the night mode to operate correctly. And finally, the delayed start function. Press the menu button twice to go to page 1 of 3 of the settings. The delayed start is at the bottom. Set the start time and the day. That is when you want the heating to start while you're out. I've preset this Saturday 15:30 hours. Set. And do the same for the end time, Saturday 1700 hours. And set. Press the menu button twice to return to the home screen. Turn the Alde system off and you'll see the message, delayed start activated and Alde is now off. You can touch the screen at any time to check the status. At the allotted time, the green LED on the main switch will come on. And if you touch the screen, you'll see the message, delayed start activated and Alde is now on. To deactivate the function, press the main on-off button and then the menu button twice. Uncheck the delayed start function at the bottom of the page. The system is now normal. Press the menu button to return to the home screen. As always, I hope that you found the content of this video useful, and thank you for watching.